Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Savita and today's video is about how to make moon water and energize it. Okay, now moon water is made on a full moon day in the night, and it is a very easy and simple process. And for this you need only two things: fresh water and a glass jar or a glass bottle. Please avoid using plastic bottle. Okay, and for the water you can use drinkable water, and you can also use rainwater, fresh rainwater also you can use it. And the size of the bottle or the jar depends on your choice, that is how much quantity of water you want to prepare. Okay, so on the full moon night you will fill the bottle and you will hold the bottle in your hand, and you will say your intention or in your own words, or you can simply say, "Dear moon, please bless this water and charge it with your energy." Okay, and after you say it, you will keep this bottle on your terrace or your balcony if you have, or you can keep this bottle near your window. Okay, now if you cannot see the moon from your window, it's completely fine, do not worry, the water will still get charged with the moon's energy. Okay, now you will leave the bottle near the window or your terrace for 1 or 2 hours, or you can keep it for the whole night, but make sure that you remove the bottle before the sunrise. The sunlight should not fall on it, it's moon water. Okay, so simple, what you can do is keep it for 1 or 2 hours near your window or terrace and then take it back. Okay, and by morning you will have your charged moon water, and this water is very powerful. You can use it in many ways. I have made a separate video on how to use it. You can watch that at the end of this video, and if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.